Quick rundown of the main types of culling and occlusion in Unreal, in the order that they occur in engine when processed by the CPU. Earliest one, distance culling. This requires manual setup. Using cull distance volumes, make sure to set the cull distance, and for a nicer effect in used materials, plug in distance cull fade. Also, optionally, can set per actor draw distances. So with the volume disabled, looking at the mesh draw calls amount, then with the volume enabled, we have around 100 less. Generally use this on distant geometry. Next one, Frustum culling. This is automatic. Simply put, this excludes off-screen objects, looking at occluded primitives, and then freeze rendering command to visualize what actually happens, which won't be noticeable otherwise, since it happens outside the camera view. Up next, precomputed visibility. This requires the most manual setup. Make sure you have allow static lighting in project settings, toggle on precomputed visibility in world settings, then build lighting, or if you did this already, can just precompute static visibility. And to visualize the cells, enable precomputed visibility cells. Keep in mind that for this one, using it in open areas will have a minimal impact given all the other automated methods. Instead, use it in smaller player accessible areas for statically lit environments, preferably indoors. Then comes visibility culling. Works with the Frustum one, is automatic, excludes occluded objects. I'll hide behind this cone to demo the Frustum again. An alternative, more manual option exists, which is the hierarchical Z-buffer occlusion, RHSB occlusion 1. Keep in mind, HSB is an additional GPU cost. Also for VR can use round robin, VR round robin occlusion 1. On to Nanite culling, which is automated, works with Nanite enabled meshes. This was shown a lot since Unreal 5, being one of its main USPs. And lastly, occlusion visibility processes, which is actually not a separate culling algorithm, it's the final aggregator of everything that happened before, which determines which geometry is approved to render the current frame. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.